All right. Got this old small block Ford in the shop. Um, I've had it for a couple years. Money has been an issue getting it fixed and getting the right parts and the whole 9 yards. But buddy of mine, Bill's, it's a Stroker 351 Windsor. It's going in an old like 64, 65 Falcon. So we'll do videos of that when he's putting it in. But today, I already got the rotating assembly in it. I did that on the live feed one night, and here and there I've been making videos on it. Like I said, it's all over the place, spread out. But today we're going to put the cam in it, the timing chain cover, cam, timing chain cover, oil pan. We got new gaskets, and I got new lifters, and hopefully I can lose custody of this thing. So it'll be nice to not have to worry about dragging it around, because as you can see, I have plenty of engines in here. So we're gonna get at it. Stay tuned. Let's get this cam spray it off real quick. Brake clean. Wipe it down. Make sure she's good and clean. I've already cleaned the crap out of all these parts, but then it's sitting for a couple weeks, so we'll make sure everything's clean. We are reusing the cam. It was fine. It's one of those thumper cams, but I'll just put new lifters on it. I think it should be fine since it's getting broken in now. So, some lube on everything. I've already lubed the cam bearings when I worked on the engine last time, so everything's got plenty of lube on it. Just gonna give it a schmear. Good and coated. It's cold out here. This stuff is thick right now. Go slow and easy putting it in. Try not to nick your bearings. Last bit's always a pain. I'll show you what I do. My hand is full of grease. Get you an old screwdriver. Stick it in the hole here, and this will give you enough leverage to get everything lined up. There we go. Timing chain. Timing gear. We need to spin that dude way around. I got this on top dead pretty close right now. Got the dot pointing up. Dog hair. Get this dot pointing down. And actually, it's lined up. I forgot something. Got a cam retainer. Looking at it too. Cam retainer plate. Can't leave home without it. goes like this. Yeah, it's got to cover up this freeze plug and that hole. There's an oil hole there. So yeah, I forget about putting that on there. Bolts down. That's tight. Just snug. Overly tight. I'm sure the torque spec for it. Alright. Now we got that lined up. Chain on. Dots lined up. Need that gear to slide out a little bit. There we go. Now let's get her lined up here. Here's tight. That's a good thing. Lightly. There we go. We got our cam retainer bolts, and evidently this must have a mechanical fuel pump, so you have the fuel pump centric on here. Get that guy started. There's a notch there, putting that hole. This guy down. Good and snug. Check the marks. Yep. Everything's lined up. That's that. Get the timing cover on it. Send it. Actually, when we get the lifters in it, we'll be ready to send it. I'm not going to put the lifters in it right now because I got to flip it over and I don't have the heads to put the rocker arms in, yada yada. So we'll get her done. chain gears, front cover, oil pan, nice new one-piece gasket. We're gonna lube these brand new comp cans lifters up. Oh, I got the balancer on it too. Lube these brand new comp cans lifters up. Get them in here, and this baby will be done. Keep up the hard work on the No Name National stuff. You guys are killing it. John and Dallas are doing a great job, promoting it. They got some good sponsors coming, and this is going to be great. It is going to be insane. So I want to say that's a wrap on this one. I've got about 5 more lifters to put in here. You guys get out there and fix something. Now I know me putting that Ford engine together didn't have anything to do with the old S10, but it actually does. That's me making a little bit of walking around money to get to the race.